Alright, you guys, we just got back from Walmart. I don't even know what part this is. I don't know. I don't know. I know I got to go back this evening when Ryan take it off. I just went to the one that was in my area. I did take Philip with me. This go around. He picked guys. What's back? Lord have mercy. Welcome back. We done made it back home. Ryan had stopped in Walmart. They did not have anything in that store that we needed at all. Everything that I had on the list, they did not have but apple juice and the. All right, y'all, we just got back from Walmart again. I got a half a dozen biscuits and 2 11 pieces from out of Popeyes, one spicy and one regular, because that's what we eating tonight. Because that's what we eating tonight. And then the grocery haul is on the second channel. I didn't need paper towels because I still had some when I bought something last month. But yeah, like I said, you guys just go check both of those videos out on both channels. And also, y'all looking for cooking videos, check that out on the third channel. All of our holiday series cooking will be on there. From dessert.
We can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine.
Hey guys, what's back? Lord have mercy. Welcome back. We done made it back home. Ryan had stopped in Walmart. They did not have anything in that store that we needed at all. Everything that I had on the list, they did not have but apple juice and the spaghetti. And and the Samco. That's all that was on their list. Everything else they didn't have. So we're gonna have to go to the one out where she work at tomorrow when she get off. But she got Philip 2 things of apple juice. She got her 2 things of these Milo drinks, but she took one with her. She picked up a piece for me and Jordan. We was going to have that in the car. But if y'all follow me on Snap, y'all seen that accident that happened. It was a pretty bad accident. So we just was trying to get up out of there as soon as possible. So we just picked up 6 cans for Philip to replace, because y'all know it's holidays. So he's off. Today is their last day. And then Riri got her thing of cupcakes. And then the 2 Sam Cokes. They just going to have those up until the holidays, because we will not be opening the holiday ones. And then coming over here, if y'all see me still wobbling funny, y'all know why. But we got the 3-pack of Clorox bleach. Over here, the disposable gloves. And I did do a walkthrough. The walkthrough is on the walkthrough is on the second channel, Mississippi Southern Crew. So you guys will get to see that over there. But we got 2,000 disposable gloves. It's one size fit most. They're extra long and they're latex free. And then we got a 300 count of the clear forks, 300 count of the clear spoons. And y'all remember we had mentioned in that earlier clip. So you guys seen that. We got the pine salt. It came to a pack. I think it was like $9. But y'all will see the prices on all of this stuff in the walkthrough. The Members Mark dish soap, the Suavitel. This is the Suavitel Advanced, and you got 325 loads. Then we got the Gain, 180 loads. 9 of their Members Mark flushable wipes. These are the ones that we get. Y'all remember I used to get the ones from Walmart. Every now and then I may pick up a pack if I have to, but for the most part I just like to get the Member Mark ones because you get more for your money. I always get the Member Mark dryer sheets. The last pack that I had lasted us for 2 months, maybe a little bit over 2 months. And then the Comet disinfectant spray, you get 6 cans. And this is my first time seeing the Comet disinfectant spray. I'm pretty sure you guys have probably already seen it at y'all local Sam's. I haven't seen it at Walmart, and if they do have it, I'm not the wisest to have seen it. So I'm not sure But again, if you're looking for prices, all of the prices are on the walkthrough. I did get the Febreze, and this is the apple, and yeah, it just say fresh spiced apple, and then this is the wood, and I'm pretty sure something else is written on there. I just can't see. It just say wood. And then we got the Member Smart, the food service brand, the 1,000 square feet. I know last time, I think I got the 500 square feet, and it was longer, but I had got much less. So I told Jordan this go around, I just prefer to get the 1,000 instead of the 500. And this one here was $25. The 500 one was $23, and it was longer. But like I said, I just know I'll get more in this one for just $2 extra. And this will last us for a while. And then the 152 freezer bags, you get 4 individual packs. I already told y'all about the drinks. And then over here, I got a 45 large count of their Member Smart bath tissue. I got another 250 count of their plates. And when I go to Walmart tomorrow, I'm going to get another 200 count of the Walmart brand plates, just so they can use those first, and we would just have these just for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. So they'll just go through the Walmart one first. And then I got the Hefty steam trays, the 30 count. They didn't have the Members Mark and the half size steam trays. Hefty was the only brand that they had. They did have the full size, and these are the ones, you know, we're gonna have for the dressing and the turkey and the ham. But like I said, they didn't have the half size. They had the third size now in the Members Mark. So you get 30 the half size, 18 pack of the full size, and that'll be enough for us. I will have to get some more of these for Christmas, but it'll be okay. And then I got the 240 heavy duty cups. Y'all know they have the holiday cups out now, but if I'm not mistaken, it's like 150 or 160 that you get for the same price that you get 240. And I know my kids is not going to care about the color of cups. I know these will last us for a minute. If y'all have not checked out my last Walmart and Sam's haul that I did, what's that, the other day I put it up, y'all will see that I had got my sugar, sweet potatoes, onions, and all of that. The walkthrough is on the Alicia Southern Crew over here on this channel, and then the grocery haul is on the second channel. I didn't need paper towels because I still had some when I bought some last month. But yeah, like I said, you guys just go check both of those videos out on both channels. And also, y'all looking for cooking videos, check that out on the third channel. All of our holiday series cooking will be on there, from desserts, everything. Y'all will see on there. We just got back from Walmart. I don't even know what part this is. I don't know. I know I got to go back this evening when Ryan take it off. I just went to the one that was in my area. I did take Philip with me. This go around, he picked up him a thing of vanilla ice cream and some of these Magnum ice cream bars. Yesterday when Roundtay went in, they did not have any of the Imperial butter stocked up. So today I got me 4. Jordan picked these smoked pork neck bones up for some greens that he's making. I got another thing of orange juice. Philip got him some Ready Whip. I just picked up a Coke, a thing of baby oil. Philip also picked him up 1 turkey Lunchable for today. And Jordan I had to replace one of his Kobe Jacks when we did those quesadillas. He got a thing of Velveeta. Philip picked these up for Jordan, the cheddar and sour cream, and then Philip picked him up the queso. I got me a thing of wavy barbecue. I did find my Zatarans. I got Philip some Dial soap. And then he also got him some Jolly Rancher, the Jello. I guess him and the kids are going to make that today. He picked up 2 of these little push pops, but I guess he took one in the bag. He got him a thing of mini M&Ms, and then Jordan got these to go with the greens for today. He's making it today, I think. And then I went on and got Philip 12 more of these just so he'll have them stocked up all the way through the middle part of next month or so. And I got 9 more things of sweetened condensed milk. 3 of these is going to be, either 3 or 4 of these are going to be for some candy. And I know I do have to make some candy for one of our YouTube ladies. I will be making that for her and sending them out before Christmas, but I'll have more cream before then. And then the rest of them are going to be for our desserts. So I will be back to show y'all the other part of the video as soon as Riante get off for work. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. We just got back from Walmart again. I had meant to tell y'all how much everything was, but I forgot, and we paid for these separate orders because everybody.
Mine was.
Guess where it was?
Mine was actually like mine was 69.
Guess
Mine
where?
was 13.
Hold on, Philip. Well, baby, tell me. Can you tell me in a second?
Guess
What was
where
it?
it was?
What was
It
it?
was under my bed.
Okay, cool.
I don't know how
Awesome.
I got it.
Watch out, Savannah.
Mine was
I'm finna sit down, y'all, and do this. Hope y'all don't mind. How much?
13.
Alicia said hers was 13. Riante, y'all heard what she said, and I think mine was 32. We did get a few things from Claiborne Hills. Some stuff came from Walmart. So I got 3 things of crawfish tails because I am making crawfish etouffee. I did get the base, but I still will be doing my own thing to it. If I do cook it on camera, it'll be vlog style. It'll just be what we're going to be vlogging for the holidays, so y'all will be able to see that. But like I said, I do add my own spin and touches on it. And then Alicia got her a salmon. She will a salmon.
There's 2 pieces of it.
A salmon, piece of salmon. She says 2 pieces of salmon in here. She will be making this today. I know it's salmon, not salmon. I don't know why I said salmon. I'm tired, y'all, and I need to go take me a few pain pills. They got 2 of these berry punches and 2 of the watermelon. Of course, I did not record in a store this go around because they did not have a chair, so I had to kind of limp through. They did have one at Claiborne, but I still didn't record. And then, y'all, please get from under my foot. Jesus. It's like they be so happy. I told y'all they like to be right up under me. It does not matter what I'm doing. They like to be under me, both of them. They don't go too far. And then I got another thing of ground beef. I'm going to get Mama, because I know Riante tired. Everybody, we just tired. I'm going to see if Mama can do it. If not, I'll get one of the girls. But they're going to just portion this in half and put in some Ziploc bags. I did just pick up one more thing of my country pleasing smoked sausage, because I think I had fried half a pack or maybe 3 of them out the pack the other morning because I had made breakfast. I had did some fried smoked sausage, and we had some scrambled eggs. I had did that, and I still had a whole nother pack, but I just needed to replace the pack. And then Alicia got some more of her Kodiak cakes. She got the one she always get, the brownies.
Those are so good and they're great for protein. I usually, what I'll do, I'll add milk instead of water because it like gives it a better like taste. And then I add a scoop of peanut butter in the middle, and it melts the peanut butter, and then it tastes amazing.
See?
And if it's not sweet enough for you, you can add like a scoop of ice cream.
See, she done told y'all how she feeds her. Because I don't have to tell y'all, because I don't know. And then she got her thing of the Alfredo sauce. She's got the great value. I had one of these. I had got one of these from Claiborne Hills. I had Riante pick it up for me. Y'all seen Philip got that earlier. I did find some poultry season, so I got 2. I got one of the Spice It brands. You remember I said I knew I was going to be able to find this at Claiborne because it's more of a specialty store. And if you can't find stuff in Walmart, I always go to Claiborne. And this is a brand that they carry of the poultry seasoning. I probably will use this one first. And then I also got a Spice It, another thing, a nutmeg. That's what I forgot, my ginger. I guess Monday I'll let one of the kids run in Walmart and just get me one little thing of ginger. Because that's all I need. And then I'll be done. I meant to get it while we was in Claiborne, but we was ready to get out of there. I got a half a dozen biscuits and 2 11 pieces from out of Popeyes, 1 spicy and 1 regular, because that's what we eating tonight. Because I'm trying. That's what we eating tonight. And then another 36 count eggs, because like I said, I've been making eggs. And then Riante got her a thing of the Louisiana style, the Big Easy Foods. They crawfish etouffee because she wanted something ready for today. So that's what she's having. And then her and Philip got their Fago drinks. And Claiborne, they do have. And Claiborne is just like Rouse's. But you guys that live here and live in the area here in Louisiana, Texas, y'all know that Rouse's and Claiborne Hills are owned by the same people. And a few of you guys was asking, am I saying Rose's? No, it's just Rouse's. It's a whole completely different brand. It's a local chain that's based out of Louisiana. And then they have, like I said, chains here in Mississippi. And then I did pick up one of they Sunkist berry and lemonade because I needed to take a pain pill while I was in the store. I'm gonna make me a thing of candy tonight after I take my shower. It's not gonna take me long. Y'all know I do my 12-minute microwave one. I'm making the chocolate, and you do it the same exact way. If y'all haven't seen that video, please check it out on Cooking with the Crew, and y'all will see it's the 12-minute microwave method. It's so easy. You can do it with your kids. They will enjoy it. They will have fun. And I'm just doing the chocolate candy, chocolate pecan candy, but I'm not putting the pecans in there. So it's just going to be chocolate candy. And it's not a chocolate fudge. It's just a chocolate pecan candy or chocolate pralines, however you want to look at it or call it. Some people say pecans. I don't. I say pecans. I'm sorry. I know it's just this whole war. It's just like a war going on. Is it pecans, pecans? It depends on the region that you're in and how you just grew up saying it. We just say pecan. They say pecan. So I thank you guys so much for always supporting all of our videos. If I do have to do a haul, it's going to be after Thanksgiving. But I done flooded y'all with hauls for the last 2 weeks. So y'all should be tired of seeing grocery store trips with me. Y'all should be tired of seeing hauls from me. But like I said, if I do another one, it's definitely going to be after Thanksgiving. Because all they have to go in there and get is some ginger. We got everything else down to the T. I made a list. I checked it 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And if it's anything else that they need, they'll just get it on their own. But as far as holiday stuff, we got everything. So, again, I love you guys. I will see y'all later. Y'all stay blessed. Stay safe out there. We love you all. And we will see y'all later. Bye, guys.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love.